Hey everybody, Evan with the Grainiac here. Everybody's inside taking a nap. Figured I'd do one of my quick projects. I don't always have weeks to plan and make something, and so this is one of those cases where everybody's sleeping. Figured I'd hop outside, see what I have for leftovers, and I came up with a pretty cool craft, I think. So here, take a look. Made some cute little pumpkin fences. Had some leftover cedar fencing from when I made a farmhouse table, and I had some pumpkins from last year I made. Had them in the attic. I figured, why not take a shot at making a fence? And I just attached my pumpkins to it. So made the pumpkins. Those are just old pallet boards, and then I attached them on the back with wood across. Then I just used the pumpkins, the fencing. I ran 2 and then 3 across, evenly distributed. So just thought that was kind of cool. Just thought I'd show you guys not everything has to be a long project. Sometimes I just need to reset and do something small. These only took me about half an hour to do. I already had the materials. I just had to cut it the length, do a little glue, start up the air compressor, use the nailer, and get her done. Some of these, on the bottom, I fastened the pumpkin to the fence real good. So, yeah, sturdy. Set these things online for sale and see what I can get for them. I'm trying to ask $60 for that one and $40 for the small one. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share. It all helps. Comment if you've done something similar or something I could have done different. Talk to you guys later. Bye.